Welcome to another wonderful primary assembly. My name is Melody from year 16.
My name is Carl from year 16.
Ladies, gentlemen, and friends, we would like to ask you to please check that your headphones are switched to silent as we do not want to disturb our speakers or
Bapak, Ibu, dan teman-teman, sebelum kita mulai assembly ini, saya mohon kerjasama Anda untuk menonaktifkan handphone agar tidak mengganggu jalannya assembly.
To begin our assembly, we will present this week's Global Award. Ibu Dini will explain more about this and who our winners are. The winners, of course, will earn house points. Ibu Dini, please join us on the stage.
Good morning, parents, teachers, and students. Today I will announce the Global Award for one specific learner profile. And I'm going to give you the clues. We're going to do a game. It's called Guessing Game. You are going to guess what learner profile will our lovely students that's behind the stage will receive today. Okay. This is how you play the game. I will give you the clues, and after that, you will answer it. Please, if you know the answer, raise your hand. Please do not fall down. And sorry, this game is only for the student. So as a teacher, you cannot help us. Okay. These are the profile learners. We have caring, communicator, balanced, we have inquirer, knowledgeable, reflective, open-minded, principled, risk-taker, and thinker. Okay. Look at carefully, and I will give you the clues. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Clue number 1. I think for my own work. That's clue number 1. Okay. Clue number 2. I learn from my mistake. Clue number 3. I find better ways to be good next time. What do you think this learner profile is? Who am I? Who can guess? Okay, from right side, I think, okay, Davina. Can you say it again? Reflective. Do you think that's reflective? Yes or no? I think for my own work, I learn from my mistake, then I will do better afterwards. Do you think that's reflective? Okay, Darren, do you have any other answer? Knowledgeable. Okay. One more from year 1. How about Nicole? Risk taker. He's a risk taker. Let's see. Can we count to 3 altogether? 1, 2, and 3. Sophina. Yes, it's reflective. Okay. Now, can we welcome our reflective learner?
Minji, 6C.
Reflective.
Senna, 6C. Vera, 6B. Nicholas, 6B. Alicia, 6A. Vito, 6A. Renat, 5C. Raza, 5C. Mia, 5B. Nazira, 5B. Sana, 5A. Alano, 5A. Mika, 4C. Kiran, 4B. Hillary, 4A. Asha, 3C. Priyanka, 3B. Kenisha, 2C. 3A. Firman, 2C. Michelle, 2B. Ivy, 2A. Kyla, 1B. Mariam, 1A. Meda, reception B. Demonstration. Bullshit, kindergarten B. Calista, kindergarten A.
Can we give them a round of applause? Thank you.
environments.
Reception students would like to show you what they know about different environments and how to care for them. They would also like to perform some songs. Please welcome the reception students and enjoy the show.
Hello, my name is Sunny from Reception B. I a garden and we are running about the environment. There is no trash, so the air is clean. Hello, my name is Adrian from Reception A. I made a maracas made with plastic bottle. Hello everyone, welcome to the reception assembly about different environments. We would like to show you what we know about different environments, how to care for them. Enjoy the show. Do you know Now we know how to care for different environments. Let's sing two songs. Remember that the world is in our hands to care for. Thank you for watching us.
Thank you to the reception students for your performance. You really showed how smart you are. My name is Emily from Year 6C.
Thank you, Emily. My name is Omar from Year 6A.
Now it is time for any special announcements. There is an announcement from the Year 11 Charity Concert Comedy.
Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie. My name is Shokoka. And I'm Raisa. And we're from Year 11, and we're coming here to talk to you about a project we've been working on for quite a while now, and it's the annual charity concert. So, for you guys who are really interested in it, or just a little bit interested, but are still hesitant if you want to come or not, Raisa will talk to you about what it actually is.
So for this year's charity concert, we are focusing on a theme which is Children of Indonesia. So then everything that is in the charity concert, from the performances, the songs that are being performed, and then the food bazaar is going to be connected to Indonesia. And then for the performances itself, it's going to be consistent with singing, dancing, and a lot of other stuff. Shakupa is going to explain later. And for the ticket sales, the money that we gain from ticket sales are going to donate it to primary community school in Tangerang. And we are working with Gerakan Nasional Orang Tua Asuh. And the school that we've chosen to work with is Sekolah Dasar Negeri Pondok Pucung 03, and it's in in Tangerang, and Shukoka is going to tell you what the event is going to be like.
So what you can look forward to later in our charity concert, we're going to have singing performances, dancing performances, short films, and not one but 2 fashion shows from our 2 talented Year 11 students. Just to remind you, the outfits that will be used later in the fashion show is going to be related to Indonesian culture. So there will be gorgeous kebaya and batik outfits, dresses, and you can also, some of the outfits will also be auctioned later during the intermission in the gallery booth that will be held in the canteen. So the charity concert will start at 5 p.m. and it will finish at 7:30 p.m. And we will also have 30 minutes intermission from 6 to 6:30, and within that 30 minutes break, you can visit our food bazaar and gallery booth. And in our food bazaar, we will have lots of varieties of Indonesian snacks such as lemper, es rujak, somai, and others.
Alright, so if any of you are interested, any of the students, tell your parents, or any of the parents, bring your kids. It's going to be really fun. If you guys want to purchase tickets for it, it'll be sold for 30,000 rupiah in the school cashier or the school shop. The school cashier is in the theater, just behind here, and the school shop is in the admin building. You can buy it for 30,000, or you can buy it on the spot for 50,000. Just a reminder though, if you buy it while it's still school hours, it's only for 30,000. But if you buy it after school, it's going to start getting higher to 50,000. Now, it's important to note that all of the ticket sales will be going to our charity, and also the auction where we'll sell the shirts and clothes are also for charity. So it's for a really good cause, guys. So bring your friends, bring your family, and it's going to be really fun, and we'll see you there. Thank you.
Pamay, Tim, do you have any sports announcements to make? Ibu Sel, Ibu Dewi, do you have any announcements to make? We will now be choosing the audience award for today. If there are any announcements, there's going to be one more announcement in the next session.
Hello, my name is Vito.
Hello, my name is Felicia. And my name is Willie. Good morning. We're here to share our exhibition project about malnutrition. Malnutrition is lack of proper nutrition in your body. These are some of the main effects of malnutrition. Attention deficit disorder, impaired school performances, decreased IQ scores, memory deficiency, learning disabilities, reduced social skills, reduced language development, and reduced problem-solving ability.
So our solution is to decrease malnutrition by introducing the Food Bank of Indonesia to Global Jaya School community. There will be boxes that will be provided around the school, which you can donate canned or packaged food to go to the food bank. Then every week, the Food Bank of Indonesia will come and give the food to the people who suffer from malnutrition.
For further information, please come to our booth on Tuesday and Wednesday next week.
Thank you. We will now be choosing the audience award for today. As you know, one special class will receive the audience award for this week. Also, each student in the winning class will get one of their classes. Now, it is time to introduce the wonderful, talented, and ever-inspiring Ibu Marla for the announcement. Ibu Marla, please join us on the stage.
Good morning,
everyone. Before I announce this award, can we give another round of applause for these little ones who are really good at I thought this was going to be easy, but as I looked around, I saw so many principled and respectful students behaving well and participating and enjoying the assembly. So thank you to all of you. For the certificate. So everybody, I want you to put your hand up. Pat yourselves on the back. And if I could give you all certificates today, I would, but I only have one. And I have, it's difficult, if we don't get it this week, maybe next week. Congratulations to year 4. Awesome.
Thank you, Kumara. Congratulations to the class of 4 for showing the best talents yesterday. Everyone, let's put our hands together one more time for our Global Award winner. Thank you again to the reception students for your performance. Now it is over to Ahmad or Panayban.
Can I have one more round of applause for our beautiful MCs? We have Aaron, we have Omar, we have Tana, and we have Tara. Parents, if you like to wait for a while until the students leave, then you can take pictures of your children. And students, please wait and see for your teachers to give you instruction on leaving the building. Thank you.